Navigating the pitfalls. Understanding, asking for trouble. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, asking for trouble. This phrase is a colorful way to express a warning or to indicate that someone's actions might lead to negative consequences. Whether you're a beginner or advancing in English, understanding these expressions can really help you grasp the nuances of the language. Let's get started. Asking for trouble is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation where someone is doing something that is likely to result in problems or difficulties. It's akin to inviting problems intentionally, even if that's not the person's aim. This phrase is often used in a cautionary context, suggesting that the individual should reconsider their actions to avoid potential issues. To better understand how asking for trouble is used, let's look at some examples. 1. Leaving your bike unlocked in a busy city is asking for trouble. It implies that such an action significantly increases the risk of the bike being stolen. 2. Ignoring the warning signs at a construction site can be seen as asking for trouble, meaning the individual might get injured. 3. Staying up late the night before an important exam is asking for trouble. Here, it suggests that the lack of rest could negatively affect the person's performance. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to various scenarios, emphasizing the likelihood of negative outcomes due to certain actions. Now that you understand what it means and how it's used, let's practice incorporating asking for trouble into sentences. Remember, it's mostly used in informal contexts. Talking about risks. He's asking for trouble by driving so fast in the rain. Giving advice. You're asking for trouble if you cheat on the test. Observing actions. They keep playing their music so loud late at night. They're really asking for trouble with the neighbors. Notice the structure around the phrase often involves actions or decisions that lead to potentially negative outcomes. Understanding phrases like asking for trouble not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you navigate social interactions more smoothly. It's a vivid way to express concern or caution, adding depth to your conversational skills. We hope this video has illuminated this colorful expression for you. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to explore more phrases that make English such a dynamic and nuanced language. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.